Okay, so let's do problem number 10 now, or if you already do it, let's make sure that that's what you did. We're going to put, make this bigger. We're going to put the 2x squared in the first box and the negative 12 in the last box, and we need to find factors of 24. And we got 24 by multiplying the 2 and the 12. So we have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, and we need it to give us a sum or difference of 5. So 3 and 8 we did a problem like that before. So 3x and 8x will give you a negative 5x if the 8 is negative and the 3 is positive. Okay. And then on the outside, I know that this is going to be x and x, but one of those has to have a 2. So you look at 2 and 3. Can both of those be divided by 2? No. Then you look at 2 and negative 8. Can both of those be divided by 2? Yes. So the 2 goes up here. Negative 8 divided by 2 gives you negative 4. So 2x times negative 4 gives you negative 8x. And then 3 times something gives you 3x. That would be a positive 3. And then when you multiply negative 4 times 3, that gives you a negative 12. Everything checks off. Write down your factors, x minus 4 and 2x plus 3, and look for one of the factors. So one of the factors would be x minus 4. See, it can't be this one because it's plus. It can't be this one because we don't have x minus 3, and we don't have x plus 4. So the answer is C. Problem number 11. Try to do it by yourself. Pause the video so that you can work it out by yourself, and then press play when you think you got the answer. Okay, so let's get started. Hopefully you already did this problem and you're just checking it. If not, then you're just copying and you're probably not going to do as good on the test by yourself. The first box you put 2x squared. The last box you put negative 15. We're looking for factors of 30 because 2 times 15 is 30. So that's 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. And we need one that gives us a sum or a difference of 7. So that would be 3 and 10 if you subtract them. So fill in the inner boxes. That's 3x and 10x. And how can these two give you a positive 7? If you do 10 minus 3, that will give you positive 7. So the 10 has to be positive and the 3 has to be negative. On the outside, you would put x times x, and then one of these two is going to have a 2. 2 and 3 cannot be divided by 2, but 2 and 10 can, so you would put the 2 here. 10 divided by 2 gives you positive 5, so this would be a positive 5. And x times negative 3 gives you a negative 3x. When you multiply negative 3 times 5, that gives you negative 15. So everything checks off. Go ahead and write down the factors. That's 2x minus 3 and x plus 5. So if you look, the only one that gives you that would be A, 2x minus 3, because this one says x minus 5 and we have a plus. This one has, it mixed them up together. They did the 2x, but they did minus 5, so that's not right. And then this one's not right either. So the answer is A. Make sure that you also check the answers. They're on the videos at the bottom underneath all the videos of the review so that you can see if you got the other ones right. Good luck on the test, guys. Try your hardest.